On January 29, 1886, Benz filed a patent for the vehicle, marking the official birth of the automobile. Despite technical brilliance, early reactions were mixed. People were skeptical, even frightened by the loud engine. But Benz's invention would soon get a major boost from an unlikely hero, his wife, Bertha Benz. The unsung hero Knowledge Hub Factory honors a pioneer in 1888. Bertha Benz made history by taking her husband's invention on a 106 kilometers 66 miles journey from Mannheim to Forging. Knowledge Hub Factory shares how this daring trip not only proved the car's reliability, but also showcased practical features like brakes and fuel stops. Along the way, Bertha faced several challenges: clogged fuel lines, worn-out brakes, and the lack of fuel stations. She bought Ligroin, an early form of gasoline, from a pharmacy and even cleaned a clogged pipe using her hat pin. Her courage and resourcefulness helped demonstrate the car's potential. Thanks to Bertha Benz, public interest surged. Her journey is now commemorated in Germany with the Bertha Benz Memorial Route. Knowledge Hub Factory recognizes her not just as a supportive wife, but as a true pioneer in automotive history. The race for innovation. Knowledge Hub Factory covers global competitors. After Benz's success, the race was on. Knowledge Hub Factory explores how other inventors and manufacturers sprang into action. Daimler and Maybach introduced the first four-wheeled car with a high-speed petrol engine in 1886. Their innovations led to the founding of Daimler Motor and Gesellschaften, which later merged with Benz's company to form Mercedes-Benz. In France, manufacturers like Panhard at Levasseur and Peugeot began producing vehicles using Daimler engines. In the U.S., Charles and Frank Duryea built their first gasoline-powered car in 1893 and won America's first automobile race in 1895. The 1890s saw the emergence of car shows, races, and growing public curiosity. Knowledge Hub Factory illustrates how this decade established the automobile as a viable form of transportation. Spreading the invention, Knowledge Hub Factory explores early adoption with interest rising, production ramped up. France led early vehicle production, followed by Germany and the U.S. by 1900. There were hundreds of small manufacturers, each experimenting with design and engineering. Knowledge Hub Factory details how electric and steam-powered vehicles also competed for dominance during this period. The Columbia electric car was popular in American cities due to its quiet, clean operation. However, gasoline-powered cars soon gained the edge due to better range and refueling convenience. Road infrastructure was still underdeveloped, and cars were expensive, but early adopters paved the way. Clubs, tours, and long-distance races helped familiarize the public with this new form of transport. The American Revolution. Knowledge Hub Factory introduces Henry Ford, the real game changer. Came in 1908 with the introduction of the Ford Model T. Knowledge Hub Factory explains how Henry Ford revolutionized the industry not with invention, but with innovation in manufacturing. Using the assembly line, Ford dramatically reduced production time and cost. By 1913, a car could be built in 93 minutes. This made automobiles affordable for the average person. The Model T, often called the Tin Lizzie, became the car of the masses. By 1927, over 15 million Model Ts had been sold. Ford's approach democratized mobility and turned the car from a luxury into a necessity. Knowledge Hub Factory highlights how this sparked the global automotive boom. Technological breakthroughs. Knowledge Hub Factory analyzes key innovations from the 1910s to 1930s. Cars became faster, safer, and more comfortable. Knowledge Hub Factory lists some of the major innovations: electric starters, replacing hand cranks, pneumatic tires for smoother rides, windshields, and enclosed cabins, automatic transmissions, hydraulic brakes. Luxury brands like Cadillac and Rolls-Royce pushed technological boundaries, while mass-market brands focused on reliability. Each advancement brought the automobile closer to what we recognize today. The legacy of the first car. Knowledge Hub Factory reflects more than a century after the Benz Patent-Motorwagen. The automobile has transformed our world. Today's cars are electric, autonomous, and connected to the internet. Brands like Tesla, Rivian, and Lucid are pushing the envelope. But Knowledge Hub Factory reminds you, it all began with a dream a tricycle with an engine, and a daring woman who believed in it. The invention of the first car wasn't just a technical milestone, it was the dawn of a new age of freedom and exploration. Conclusion. Knowledge Hub Factory thanks you. Thank you for joining Knowledge Hub Factory on this journey through the history of the first car. From ancient wheels to the Benz Patent-Motorwagen and the rise of global automakers, we hope this detailed look into the invention of the car has fueled your curiosity and appreciation for human innovation. Stay tuned and subscribe to Knowledge Hub Factory for more deep dive content into the stories that shaped our world.